In today's video, I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT, and the question that's on many people's minds: will ChatGPT eventually replace Google? First off, it's important to understand what ChatGPT is and how it works. ChatGPT is a chatbot, meaning it is a computer program designed to simulate conversation with human users. Chatbots can be used to answer simple, repetitive requests or to help solve complex problems. They have been most commonly used in customer service. In 2023, if you are using an application or a website and you have an issue within your account, it is more than likely that you are interacting with some form of chatbot to handle your basic inquiries. Now, ChatGPT is a lot more complex than normal chatbots. Similar to the Google search engine, if you type a question on the user interface, it will provide a detailed response based upon that topic. Recently, there have been a lot of people using this application to automate various tasks in their daily lives. Even though that seems impressive, there are still several reasons why ChatGPT would not be able to replace Google as the go-to search engine for most people. First and foremost, Google is simply too well established and too deeply ingrained in our culture to be replaced by a chatbot, no matter how advanced it may be. Secondly, Google has been around for 2 or more decades and has built up a massive user base as well as a vast array of services that include a search engine, Gmail, and cloud storage. It would be extremely difficult, if not impossible, for ChatGPT or any other chatbot to completely displace Google in all of these areas. Another reason that is unlikely to happen in the near future is that Google's search engine is simply way more powerful and effective at finding information that people are looking for. For instance, if I ask Google, what is the weather today look like in Dallas, Texas, for instance, it would give me a list of different options to choose from that I can know whether or not I need a jacket outside because it's too cold, or do I need to bring an umbrella because it's about to rain. But if I were to ask ChatGPT the same question, it would tell me to go find a search engine or appropriate weather app that could answer the question for me. While ChatGPT may be able to carry on conversations and provide some basic answers to questions, it is not as good as sifting through the vast amounts of information on the internet and returning the most relevant and accurate results like the Google search engine. Finally, there is an issue of trust. While ChatGPT may be able to generate human-like responses, it is still a machine and does not have the same level of expertise and authority as a team of human researchers and developers that can answer these questions. This can make it difficult for people to trust the information that it provides, especially when it comes to important or sensitive topics. In conclusion, while ChatGPT is an impressive chatbot with many useful capabilities, it is unlikely to replace Google as the go-to source of information for most people. Google's extensive range of services, powerful search algorithms, and trusted reputation make it a strong competitor that it would be difficult to replace. So thank you all for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. If you have a different opinion, be sure to leave it down in the comment section. Until next time, peace.